Welcome back, riders. You're watching Moto Rider, your go-to channel for the latest motorcycles, reviews, and two-wheel adventures. Today, we are diving into the 2026 GASGAS EX 300, a machine that has taken the off-road world by storm. Whether you're a hardcore enduro racer or a weekend trail explorer, this bike is built to deliver raw power, lightweight handling, and unbeatable durability. Let's get started. Design and styling. The 2026 EX 300 continues GASGAS's aggressive, ready-to-race styling. From its sharp red and white graphics to its slim bodywork, everything about this bike screams performance. The plastics are narrow and ergonomic, giving riders maximum movement on technical trails. The seat is slightly redesigned for better comfort during long rides, while the frame has been updated with stronger materials yet remains lightweight. Engine performance. At the heart of the EX 300 lies its legendary 300 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. For 2026, GASGAS has refined the power delivery to make it smoother at low RPMs and explosive at the top end. With electronic fuel injection, EFI, riders get crisp throttle response, improved fuel efficiency, and cleaner emissions, perfect for both competition and eco-regulations. The power band is wide, giving you confidence in slow technical climbs as well as fast open sections. Transmission and ride modes. The 6-speed gearbox ensures versatility on every terrain, while the hydraulic clutch delivers smooth engagement even under extreme conditions. GASGAS also introduces selectable ride modes in 2026, allowing you to choose between soft, standard, and aggressive maps depending on the trail or your riding style. Chassis and suspension. One of the strongest points of the EX 300 is its handling. Built on a lightweight steel frame, it offers perfect balance between stability and agility. The WP Explore suspension has been fine-tuned for 2026, providing more adjustability and better bottoming resistance. Whether you're hitting rocky trails, sandy tracks, or muddy forests, this suspension absorbs it all. Braking and control. Braking power comes from Brembo hydraulic brakes, giving precise and responsive stopping power in all conditions. Combined with lightweight wheels and enduro-specific tires, the EX 300 offers unmatched control, even on slippery and unpredictable terrains. Technology and features. GASGAS has also introduced a few modern touches for 2026. New digital displays showing speed, engine hours, and fuel levels. LED lighting system for night rides and improved visibility. Improved cooling system with a redesigned radiator for better heat management during extreme rides. Weight and ergonomics. The 2026 EX 300 tips the scales at around 103 kilograms, dry weight, making it one of the lightest bikes in its class. Slim ergonomics, a comfortable seat height, and improved grip points give riders confidence and control, whether they're standing on the pegs or seated during low